LETWESAF. How would you like to be sitting in your tarp, your tent, and be alarmed or told when somebody's getting near you? You can do that with LETWESAF. And I've got one unit set up. Okay, this unit's with me. I've got one unit set up out there in a tree. You can camouflage them. You can see through them. I mean, these things are super cool. They're not heavy. Comes with the charging cable. Now, what does it sound like when somebody walks in front of the LETWESAF? Run your hand in front of it, please. Notice that. That's what happens when somebody walks in front of LETWESAF. It comes with two units. The sensor for detecting motion, the other sensor to tell you what's going on. So when you're inside a tarp setup like I am right now, you're going to sleep and not be afraid. It'll tell you if an animal's coming near you. It'll tell you if bears are coming, raccoons, who's out around your campsite. It goes even further, LETWESAF. It really does. You could set this up and hide it in the bush around your vehicle and then put this in your pocket. If somebody goes near your vehicle, it'll let you know that somebody's around your truck, which means you might want to get out there and want to see what's going on. Or maybe you want that alarm system. Maybe when you go into a certain area, you set up LETWESAF, and then you continue in. You're in quite a ways. You set up your camp, and now this is sitting there. What happens if somebody comes in the same way you came in? All of a sudden you have an alarm. Look at that. The perfect alarm system that lets you know what's coming, what's going. And you'll notice we've got it hidden in this tree here. And as he backs up, notice how it starts to disappear. The LETWESAF is disappearing as he backs up. We put a little pressure on that, nobody's even going to see it. You can hide these little units really easy. LETWESAF. It comes with everything. You can even have multiple sensors with this, okay? You can have one of these, and you can have others spread around. So you could have one at the entrance where you walked in, and then you hear the beeping. You could have another one, 10 feet in, and now it's warning you as they're getting closer and closer and closer. So this is really cool. LETWESAF. Do you need a radar motion alarm system? I say everybody does, especially how dangerous everything is nowadays. Great for a bug out bag. If you got a bug out and you want to set up your tarp system and you want to have everything where you want it, you don't want somebody walking up on you. You want to be warned. You want to know they're coming up on you. So used for camping, used for protecting your vehicle. You could set this up around your house. You could put it in your driveway or on your porch. And somebody walks up your walkway, all of a sudden it's going to beep, right? And warn you that somebody's coming up to your house. There are so many uses for this radar motion alarm system. It's just unbelievable. LETWESAF. And you notice LETWESAF without an E is on the back end. So you too can be safe with a radar alarm system and not be sitting there hearing noises outside your tent or what it is. You could be warned ahead of time. Literally, they could be 10 feet away from your tent and you'll hear the noise. And then you can unzip it a little bit and look out there and see what's going on. Don't be left in the dark. Pick up a LETWESAF radar motion sensor. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.